Okay, so one of the hardest. Oh, hi, how you doing? Welcome to the show. So one of the hardest things to find in Tennessee, where I live, is lamb. Not all stores carry it. You have to specially order it. And we found some ground lamb. As soon as we found it, we went for a recipe. We got this thought of doing some Greek meatballs. So we got the Greek meatball recipe, and we're gonna do that today. Are you guys ready? I love lamb. So here's all the ingredients. Tammy was shocked that there's no breadcrumbs in these meatballs. So it's just lamb and dill and mayonnaise and lemon and oregano and olive oil and salt and pepper. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is zest a medium lemon. So this is what we did. We zested the lemon in one little bowl, and then we got the juice out of the lemon in another bowl. All right, now let's move on to step number 2. All right, so first we're gonna start on the dip. You ready? So we're just gonna stick in this little bowl here, mix it up, then pop in the refrigerator till we're ready. We're gonna start with the mayonnaise. Drop that in. Okay, we're gonna take the lemon juice, pour that in. It's a lot of lemon juice, a lot of dill. You ready? Throw the dill in there. And what are we gonna do? That's right. We're gonna mix this up. Oh, looks beautiful. Okay, Tammy and I love lamb a lot, so we're gonna make a double batch. So when you look at the recipe, it doesn't have this much meat. We have twice as much stuff here. So you got the lamb in the bowl. Then you're gonna throw let's do the lemon zest next. Obviously, Greeks love their lemon because I'm seeing that through the whole recipe. Throw your lemon zest in. That's gonna be like your breadcrumbs, by the way. That's where Tammy thought we should have breadcrumbs in this mixture, but the lemon zest is gonna hold it all together. Get some oregano. There we go. A little salt. A little pepper. If you've ever made hamburger patties like this, where you do it by hand, you know not to work the meat too much. Same with this. Don't keep mixing. Just get it all mixed in and then form your meatballs, okay? Because the meat gets tougher the more you work the meat. And just sit in here and get your spices all into the meat. All right, I just want to show you. You want to make meatballs about that size, okay? You should get at least 18 out of here. Probably more because we're doing a double batch. Okay, I'm not sure why, but I was always told to heat the pan up first and then put cold oil into a hot pan, and then you can start cooking. So we're gonna do that right now. Heat up our pan, then we're gonna put some olive oil in, and then we'll start cooking the meatballs. All right, you can feel the pan is very hot right now. So you're gonna put the oil in. You can see the oil is already moving. We're gonna place our meatballs in right now. Make sure your hands are washed. You can grab them with tongs if you want. Don't crowd your meatballs. Just randomly stick them in there. Yeah. All right, so make sure you put your meatballs in. Make sure your hands are washed. And you're gonna brown all your meatballs in the oil. Okay, here it is. Greek meatballs with a dill dip. It smells amazing, and I bet it tastes awesome too. Let's try it out. All right, guys, a few recommendations. I wouldn't fry these up in a pan anymore. From now on, I'm going to use the air fryer on these, or the convection oven, or something, or smoke them on the grill, or something, because my cleaning lady's going to kill me. It's all covered in grease, and you don't want that, okay? Lamb is a little bit fattier than beef, so be ready for some grease when you're cooking. It's absolutely delicious, so let's try this out right now. I'm madly in love with lamb. I haven't had lamb in, gosh, at least a year maybe. Here we go. I've never tasted so much lemon in my mouth. It explodes right out of the meatball, and a hint of it in the dill dip. It tastes at that zest in the meatball. Unbelievable. Okay, you guys are gonna love me for this recipe. This is a great Super Bowl appetizer. It's not a Super Bowl video, but it'd be a nice change over wings. This lemon, I don't like lemon, and this tastes amazing. So it's the Greek meatball with dill dip. All right? Try it out for Super Bowl. Try it out just to try it out. All right? I love you. Let me know what you think. See you in the next episode.